10 about 10th class topic, history part, the world between wars from 1900 to 1950. This is part 1. In this lesson, we will discuss about how was the world at the beginning of 20th century, introduction part, and what are the causes of the world wars, World War I and World War II, and what were the consequences of the world wars. This we will discuss in this topic. And first of all, how was the world at the beginning of 20th century? Observe and look at the board. At the beginning of 20th century, the population of the world was 1.6 billions, means 160 crores. Okay. Next, industrial capitalism changed the way of life. All the people, but only in the Western world. Understand? Next, Britain was the leading power and colonial power which occupies almost all the world countries. Okay? Next, entire world was dividing into two, that Western world and remaining rest of the world. Western world, which well developed growth is there, economic growth is more in that Western world, and remaining rest of the world, acute backwardness and poor countries. So this was happening. Okay. So next it is 20th century. Who called the 20th century as a age of extremes, experiments and great expectations and dangerous developments? Who called it? Eric Hobsbawm called this world, the 20th century, as a age of extremes. He was belonged to which country? America. Right? So what are that? Why he was called that entire world? Look at here. Literacy rate. Literacy rate was expanded, and number of political changes were expanded. Political changes were occurred. What are the political changes? And economic changes and social changes were there. Number of organizations came out and started. And what were the political changes? Political changes. Entire world, initially monarchy system was there and ruled by kings or queens. Next, empires and fascist dominations were there, which were occurring in Italy and Nazis in Germany. Fascist domination means what? The pride for their own country. They give respect more for their own country only. They hatred neighboring countries and other countries, which leads to that wars. This is also known as aggressive nationalism, fascist domination. And next, democratic organizations and democratic countries were started. Entire more than 100 of countries, they got independence and they followed democracy, democratic way of life. So this was the political changes occurred in the world. The next one, literacy rate and the life expectancy rate has been increased in the society, in the world. The next, new form of art and movies were developed in the society during the 20th century only, in between from 1900 to 1950. And next one, it is scientific knowledge was developed and secrets of art and life was unlocked. And next one, the right to vote was extended to all the women. And almost more than 50% of the population in the world, they are women only. So they dominated the society. So this was happened in the world. And next one, socialistic societies. Socialistic societies were started based on the equality, liberty and fraternity. Equality, we know that equal, they treated all are equal in the society. And so next one, liberty means freedom. Fraternity means brotherhoodness. They treated all like brothers and sisters. This was happening in that. And next one, it is liberal democracies were started. Liberal democracy based on political equality and capitalistic economy. Next, very most important, Great Depression also occurred. Great Depression, which was occurred from 1929 to 1939, between the period, this was Great Depression was occurred. What happened in it? Entire world economic decline would happen, means economic breakdown. Economic breakdown. Unemployment was spread in the world. And almost all the people lost their jobs. There is no production. Almost all closed that. So this was spread entire world. From 1929 to 1939. Next, the world wars occurred in that period. World War I from 1914 to 1918, and next one it is Second World War 1939 to 1945. So these two world wars occurred in the world. After the Second World War, new political major organizations were established, which is known as UNO. United Nations were started. Main aim to provide peace to almost all the world, establish peace and stop the wars and provide freedom to all the people. This was occurred in it. Okay. What were the ominous facts about the world wars? Ominous facts means significant facts. At the beginning of 20th century, the world was dividing into developed industrialized countries of the West and colonial countries of Asia and Africa. Colonial countries means what? They got newly independent countries. So they just beginning their struggle for independence. At the same time, the industrialized countries, so they wanted to develop their trade and they wanted to develop their markets. So and they control over the colonial countries also. In this way, again the entire world dividing into rivalry blocks. Rivalry means what? Power blocks. So they hated each other. Industrialized countries, they hated each other. They wanted to develop their trade and develop their markets in this way. So they were dividing into two groups. Okay. What are the industrialized countries? Initially Britain, USA, Germany, France and Italy and Japan, and number of other industrialized countries also there. In this way they developed that rival blocks. Rival means they're each other against of that. In this way the First World War broke out in the year 1914, July 28. Okay. In this First World War, almost all the countries were participated from west to east. West means that USA and east side Japan and China. So almost all the countries were participated in this First World War. In that First World War they used that bombs also from the aeroplane. Okay. In that First World War, what are the groups were there in the First World War? Central powers and allied powers. Central powers: Germany, Austria, Hungary and Turkey. These are the countries. And allied powers, they belong to England, France, Russia and USA. And finally that allied powers won the victory in the World War I. The World War I ended with the peace treaty of Versailles. But this peace treaty, conditions of the peace treaty were not satisfied by the Germany or central powers. So these are all central powers known as vanquished powers, means defeated countries. So in that way another deadly war happened in the year 1939. So this was known as Second World War, which was happened from 1939 to 1945. The Second World War also fought between two groups, so that is Allied powers and Axis powers. Axis powers means Germany side, means Germany and its allies like Italy and Japan. These are the belong to Axis powers. And allied powers UK, USA, Russia, France and China. So these are the groups. And finally allied powers won the victory in the Second World War. So with the finally USA used that two atom bombs dropped on the Japan, Hiroshima and Nagasaki in the year 1945 and August 6 and August 9. So in this way finally the Second World War was stopped. Do you know the First World War? During the First World War the Allied powers were also known as Triple Entente. It was formed by Britain. Okay, Britain, France, Russia, USA and Italy. And very important one, and Central powers is also known as Triple Alliance in the First World War. Okay, and very important one, Italy. Italy was participated in the side of Britain during the World War I. Similarly, during the Second World War, Italy was participated in the side of Axis powers, means Germany and its alliance. This is very important. Okay, Now we'll discuss about death and destruction during the two world wars. The two world wars, the death and destruction happened unprecedentedly. How many people were died during the World War I and during the World War II? The World War I, 10 million people were died in the battle. This number includes 75,000 Indian soldiers who died while fighting for the Britain side. And during the Second World War, 20 to 25 million military deaths, means military people were dying, and 40 to 52 millions civilians also died, includes nearly 6 million Jewish people also there. The America attack on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in Japan with atom bomb killed between 1,50,000 and 2,46,000 people immediately. Okay, and now discuss about power blocks. We already discussed. Here it is. Power blocks came into existence during the period of World War I and World War II. The scramble for colonies and power and insecurity caused by the scramble led to the formation of secret alliances, mostly secret one. One is formed by the Germany, Austria, Hungary, and another one is formed by Britain, France, and Russia. Similarly, the power blocks continued in the Second World War also. The Axis powers were led by Germany and allies led by Britain, USA and USSR. What were the immediate causes and long-term causes for World War I and World War II? And now, immediate causes of the World War I. Immediate cause means the immediate provocation of the World War I. What is that? In 1914 and June month, Austrian king Archduke Franz Ferdinand and his wife Sofia both went to Serbian country. Serbian fanatic was murdered the Archduke Franz Ferdinand and his wife, along with his wife, at Sarajevo, the place. Who is this Serbian fanatic? He was Gavrilo Principi. Okay, this is not mentioned in textbook. Austria made an ultimatum to the Serbian country about Ferdinand murder. The reply within 24 hours. But Serbia was not replied because of the Serbian fanatic, means Gavrilo Principi, belonged to the Bosnia. But at the same time, the Bosnia was occupied by Austria only, means ruled by Austria only, but it was located in Serbian country. The particular Bosnia located in Serbian country only. So in that way, they were not given any reply. Just they gave that some few words that Serbian fanatic, he was belonged to your country Bosnia, which was ruled by Austria only. So in that way they did not give any reply. At the same time, Austria declared war on Serbia in the year 1914, July 28th. So when was that Archduke Franz Ferdinand murdered? In the year 1914, June 28th only. In the year 1914, June 28th. Austria declared war on Serbia in which month? In which year? In 1914, July 28th. Understood now? Actually, the war started between two small countries, but these two countries were supported by the other big countries. Understand it is? Austria was supported by Germany and its allies. At the same time, Serbia supported by Britain and its allies, means friendly countries like France, Russia. Okay? Similarly, next, Second World War. What was the immediate cause for the Second World War? Means immediate provocation of the Second World War. Germany attack on Poland was the immediate cause for the Second World War, which was happened in 1939, September 1st. September 1st. Hitler invaded Poland as a punishment for refusing to hand over the port of Danzig to Germany. Okay? Poland, at the same time, Poland had a defense pact with Britain. Defense pact means military agreement. Okay? So, Britain joined the side of Poland, and later France also joined in the side of Britain only, and thus that Second World War started. The First World War ended with the peace treaty of Versailles, located in Paris in France country in the year 1919. Similarly, the Second World War ended with the peace treaty Mussoorie. Okay? In the year 1945, September 2nd, the World War II was ended. Right? Thank you. మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, అండ్ ఫైనల్లీ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ది బెల్ ఐకాన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.